Hey everyone, Eric here from Drive Protected. We got ourselves a bit of a different video this time around. Kurtis and I are going to be flying down to San Luis Obispo, California for the Tesla Takeover event this weekend. I'm going to go and pick him up. We're going to head off to the airport in Winnipeg and we're going to fly off to Los Angeles. From there we are going to hop in our Tesla Model X Plaid that we have rented. And we're going to drive up to the San Francisco Bay Area before heading down to San Luis for the event. I hope you guys enjoy this San Luis Obispo. We got the Madonna Inn where the Tesla Takeover event is right over here. Okay, we're here at the Madonna Inn. We got the Tesla Model X, we got all of our stuff in it. Now it's time to start unpacking. Alright, we're all set up here at the Tesla Takeover event. Day number one, let's get to it. We're all set up here for day two at the Tesla Takeover. We're looking forward to a great day today. We're super excited about is this year we are the sponsor of the Super Modified contest. Had a walk around the Super Modified area, and before I walked through there, I was wondering like what kind of modifications could you possibly do to a Tesla because they're all electric. And man, was I ever blown away with the mods that were done. We got Lambo doors, we've got lift kits, we got vehicles slammed to the ground. Super cool to see, and yeah, a little bit later today we're going to be handing out the award to the winner of the Super Modified contest.
You ready?
100%.
The mattress?
But
or the one with the air?
Howdy guys, how's everybody doing today? Good?
Which one is it?
Alright, hope everybody had a great time
Travel
at
sleeper.
the Tesla Takeover 2023. Alright, so this year we did a little bit different. We did do the judging by a point system. So our top 3 cars are right behind us, right over here. Your left, my right. So let's start off. The categories this year were based off of exterior mods, interior mods, wheels and suspension, front and trunk side, and audio and visual. So every car got
I'm working with a friend to try to figure this out.
to determine our top 3.
Okay.
So in third place, we have Mr. Bogdan with the TSK Cyber 3 So for third place, he is going to get a nice,
I remember watching the video way back when, but
and he also gets a cash prize of $250. Alright, in second place, this man's worked very, very hard to be here where he's at today, is the blue one, Matthew, Heavenly Elite. He gets the second place trophy and a $500 cash prize.
was it a pain in the butt?
Congratulations, sir. And if you guys have not seen this build, it is Lewis 160Y, and it is a custom paint job. You don't really see that very often in cars nowadays, but it's a custom lowrider paint job. If you have not seen this car, you need to check it out. So Lewis, come on up. You are our first place winner. And it was $1,000 cash prize. Congratulations. Thank you everyone for coming out and checking out our car show. And we hope to see you guys back next year, and I'm going to turn it back over to Colin. Thank you, Brandon.
Okay, we're all done at the Tesla Takeover event. It was a great time. It was a lot of fun visiting with everybody who stopped by the booth. We got the Model X Plaid. We decided it's time to go check out some of the back roads in and around San Luis where the event was held. And I thank you guys for watching this video.